Hi guys, it's Friday. So we made it through our first week of distance learning. So very bumpy in the early part of the week, but getting better now. So I want to talk about what's due for today, okay? So we know that we've been working with this document. Now, for reading, when you're working with this document, there isn't a section for Friday. Okay, so I'll show you what to do for reading on that part. For word study, you're just gonna choose one of the activities and complete it with these words right here. Then for writing, today you're going to finalize your work to turn in. You might want to read your work out loud. You might want to use the writing checklist to help you figure out where it needs your correct punctuation, capitalization, making sure you have complete thoughts in a sentence. And you can go through the checklist to help guide you, okay? And remember, your writing piece is going to go at the bottom here, okay? Some people were still asking me, how do I get to that page? I don't see that page. So do you see where it says this reader's response menu? You kind of click underneath it, like I'm doing that right now, and you see the cursor is blinking here, okay? So all I'm going to do is keep pressing the enter button over and over. Enter, enter, enter. I'm going to keep pressing it. And when you keep pressing it, let me keep scrolling up so you can see. Okay, when you keep pressing it, okay, then it'll automatically go onto the next page. So here is where you can include that writing piece, okay? And this is the writing piece that you've been working on all week, okay? Starting on Monday with you talking about or writing about what you've been doing since school has been closed, okay? All right, so we talked about word study and writing. We did not talk about reading because reading is a little different. So remember when we read this text earlier in the week, home is where the logs are, and I told you guys not to answer the questions. The reason why you're not supposed to answer the questions during the week is because I saved them for Friday. Okay, so these multiple choice questions are going to be your assignment for reading for today. And where will you put the answers? That is a very good question. Okay, what I'm going to do is share this document with everyone. Okay, it's just, it says Friday, March 27th, answers to the multiple choice questions from the text, home is where the logs are. Okay, so you have question 13 through 22 in the same way that you have it in the text. Okay, it starts with question 13 and it goes all the way to question 22. So all you're going to do is put the correct letter. For example, if the correct letter is A, or if, and then the correct letter, you go to 14 if you think it's B, if you think 15 is C, 16D. Whatever you think the correct answer is, I want you to just put the letter. Don't need to write the whole answer choice out, the sentence out, just the letter will be enough, okay? I think that's it. If you have any questions about anything, please let me know and I will try to help y'all out, okay? Y'all have a great Friday. Bye-bye.